Today video I need to discuss Jasmy. Presently Jasmy is up 12.45% throughout the past day or something like that. We investigate the most recent 7 days for Jasmy, it's up 20%, the last month down 12%. Be that as it may, we investigate an extended sort of graph here for Jasmy. What's more, while seeing this diagram, clearly there will be a lot of funders. You know, while seeing this outline, it's not the best diagram, right, for checking out at a drawn-out sort of venture here. In any case, what sort of occurred in the crypto market overall, correct? We saw Jasmy sort of tank when the crypto market went into the right and went into a negative cycle here. In any case, when it recorded, clearly we can't say as I would see it that these were the untouched highs here, since this is only soon after its posting, or since basically soon after it's sent off here. Yet, what is extremely encouraging here is the most recent 7 days we checked Jasmy out. We should investigate the last month here. So it really was doing great. We should take a gander at the last year. It was doing genuinely, was floating at around 7 pennies as far as possible, really depended on truly 1 penny, sorry 0.07. It was extremely near 1 penny, you guys, and afterward Binance put Jasmy in the development zone in the event that you knew all about what occurred there. And afterward the value sort of dropped. However, we are seeing some incredibly pleasant cost activity throughout recent hours. 72 hours or somewhere in the vicinity. Be that as it may, definitely, I simply needed to go more than a couple of things with respect to Jasmy. Clearly, this is a coin that in the long haul, 222-026-2027, I'm extremely bullish on Jasmy. Clearly, there is the gigantic and exceptionally bullish impetus of the hypothesis that there will be a potential quarter for lockup. I think it was like 70% of the tokens could be secured, which could totally have Jasmy Coin flying to crazy costs as I would see it here. Skins, not monetary exhortation. Simply needed to impart data to you all. My very first video on Jasmy, by the way, was a while back. See the date on this, presumably more April 26th, 2022 you all. So I've been discussing Jasmy for some time now. This is a crypto that I have been bullish on for some time now, yet that was back when Jasmy was sitting at 2 pennies. At the hour of this video, 2 pennies. Clearly, there has been a lot of negative cost activity with respect to Jasmy, yet we should get directly into it. So Hara, Jasmy CFO, he tweets this prior today supporting the worldwide carbon nonpartisan test. Jasmy joins the Ready Rice Yield Conservatorium to produce credits and advance carbon nonpartisanship. What's more, blockchain carbon credit trade based on the Jasmy stage gives a dependable and helpful climate for the circulation of credits. This is all in Japanese directly in the characters, and I feel that sort of demonstrates how like what relying upon where you are all over the planet and assuming you're holding Jasmy, similar to Jasmy, has the encouraging implication of being the Bitcoin of Japan. And I don't figure we ought to avoid that. Like, assuming this turns out to be the mean, I feel like it resembles steering the ship to become it. In any case, as in the event that it does, and when it turns out to be the like Bitcoin of Japan or the leader crypto in Japan, a country that you know values development. What's more, innovation in pursuing shrewd choices just monetarily and with the manner in which they approach their everyday lives. That is placing Jasmy Coin currently in an outright tip-top spot, paying little mind to what occurs with the lockup, paying little mind to what occurs with the whole crypto market. Simply the utilization cases and the utility for where I think Jasmy is going is without exception as I would like to think. So this is simply one more resource or one more impetus here that Jasmy is working on, they will keep on expanding on. This tweet here leans 65 on Twitter. Jasmy FOMO Jasmy. I bet on decade from now Jasmy will be a story to tell, and it's simply presented an article on these criticisms. Article: What is Jasmy? All that you are familiar Japanese originally supported crypto, and like I said, Japanese Japan. I mean sorry, on Jasmy's like KPI that they need Jasmy coins. Cost to reach resembles $17 guys. Simply remember that. Like, Jasmy has gigantic designs for its own coin, Jasmy Co. Restricted. It's the organization behind Jasmy, and they have enormous plans. Yet additionally, I need to discuss, like on the off chance that you all aren't comfortable like with like sort of marvels this tweet with similar to who's behind Jasmy. I mean, might I at any point talk you fixed as the administrator of Jasmy, and you can see he's as of now. Besides, he's the organizer-in-chief of Jasmy Integrated. Jasmy is a Japanese crypto recorded on famous trades. He's the executive of the College of Nagano in Nagano, Japan, yet he was additionally the leader of Sony you guys from 1990. For 1997 he was moved piece of huge decrease in the size of the board drive by president. He's not the arrival of the board until he succeeded today as president, despite the fact that he was named leader VP and head working official in April 2000. So this is a person here who has driven one of the greatest tech organizations in the whole world of all time. So remember that. Guys, that is a big update. If you guys enjoy the content, you want to stay up to date. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.